Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we make complex tech tasks simple and straightforward. Today, we're diving into a super handy tutorial: how to delete photos but keep them on iCloud for 2025. If you're running out of storage on your iPhone or iPad but don't want to lose those precious memories, this guide is for you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to free up space on your device while keeping everything backed up in iCloud. First things first, make sure you're on the latest iOS update for 2025 to access the most optimized features. Open your Settings app. That's the gear icon on your home screen. Scroll down and tap on Photos or iCloud, depending on your device. Here, you'll see an option for iCloud Photos. Ensure it's turned on. This is key because it syncs your photos across devices and keeps them stored in the cloud. Next, head over to the Photos app. Select the photos you want to delete from your device. But wait, before you hit delete, let's optimize your storage. Go back to Settings, Photos, and look for Optimize iPhone Storage. Turn this on if it isn't already. This feature will keep full-resolution photos in iCloud and only store smaller versions on your device, saving you tons of space. Now, go back to the Photos app, select your photos, and tap the trash icon to delete them. Don't worry. If iCloud Photos is enabled, these will still be in your iCloud library. To verify, open iCloud.com on any web browser, sign in with your Apple ID, and check your Photos section. Your deleted photos should be there, safe and sound. One quick tip: if you accidentally delete something important, you have 30 days to recover it from the recently deleted album in the Photos app. Also, remember that this method works best with a stable internet connection, so you're all set for seamless syncing in 2025. There you have it, a simple way to manage your photo storage without losing a thing. If this helped, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and hit that bell icon. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Stay tech savvy.